What is going on, apes? We have a very short and sweet video to give all the apes. If you are in doubt, this is not the time to be. Now, I'm not a financial advisor or a financial planner, so I can't tell you what to do. Do your own research, investments, due diligence, all that good stuff. You're responsible if you make money or if you lose money. But it is simple here, right? AMC is not a fundamental trade. So throw that out the window when people tell you to sell AMC, buy this other stock because so and so reason, right? It's not a fundamental trade. It is a technical trade. So if people are freaking out there, you gotta have diamond hands, right? You gotta have diamond balls. That's the truth in the matter of AMC, right? This is not a normal trade. We do own the company though. That is on the up and up, but just take a look at this chart. The overall trend, let me just draw it for you. What does that look like? That looks to be a very, very positive trend. We are hitting higher lows. So we are going up, coming down, but we're not going down lower than that previous high. We are in a very, very bullish trajectory. Yes, we have been consolidating over the past 10 trading days or so in between, $50 on the low end and $65 on the high end, but we are due for a break out. It is very bullish on a technical standpoint. Once the technicals go bullish, sure, then you can start complaining. Then there's a fundamental basis to start complaining and maybe be worried. I'm not. I got diamond nuts and diamond hands, so I'm not worried at all. And we do know the short interest is going up. These short sellers have lost their marbles. That's what I like to call it. They lost their damn marbles. They're falling out of their ears, man. We know this, right? We have the Ortex data, which at least shows us the legal shorts. It doesn't show us the illegal shorts. Obviously, the failure to delivers have not came out for the second half of May or the first half of June. But from what we know, our case is getting much better with AMC. And the news that we just got today, that NSCC 002 just got passed, which means every single day there will be a new assessment as far as the hedge funds and institutions, how much capital they have to put up, like I said, depending on each one's risk. And if they can't meet those obligations in 1 hour, they will be margin called. So I think we're getting close to this squeeze, guys. We have to see this squeeze. We have to see this 14.2% short interest get completely covered. Now, that's not even to mention all the gamma and delta hedging we're going to see, because the 250,000, a little bit more than that, 250, 260, 70,000 worth of options that are on this week's expiration date. And keep in mind, these people are just going to keep rolling over. So I don't think the gamma squeeze potential is gone anytime soon as well. So all these key factors that we do know, with everything put together, there is no need to panic here, guys. We see the share utilization going up as the short interest is down. That does signify that other hedge funds and institutions, they are less willing to lend out shares to other hedge funds and institutions because they believe a bigger move is coming and it is too much risk for them. We see all these banks and brokerages basically telling people, hey, you're not allowed to sell these stocks short, right? AMC, GameStop, Microvision, a whole range of other stocks. What does that signify? That these people see a significant move coming. That is the bottom line here, and that is what you really need to pay attention to. Keep in mind, while I'm giving you guys all this quick rundown data and all that good stuff, right? The average days on loan is 44.72 days. That puts us back at about $10 per share. These shorts are completely underwater, especially with the new rule we just had implemented today and approved literally today. Yes, it's going to take another day or two to actually see these margin calls start to happen for these hedge funds and institutions that are down 4, 5, 600% or even more in some cases on their trades. So from my standpoint, from everything that I just put out in this video, from all my due diligence, there has never been a better time to at least hold on to your shares. If you sell out right now, you bought in at 75, 80, well, we didn't hit 80, but if you bought in at 70, $75, then you're going to be taking that loss and there is no chance to recover it. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor or a financial planner. If you need the money for rent, sell out, do whatever you want to do. That is never advised to invest rent money or bill money That's never a good thing. And I want you guys to have the best financial futures you can possibly have. And that is why you are subscribed to this channel, because I bring you guys the raw facts and the raw information you guys need to know about. So that is the quick message I do have for you guys. We covered a lot of ground in this video, in this short little video, but something else I do want to point out as well is the volume is not dropping off, right? We see low days, we see high days. High days are about 300 to 350 million in volume. Low days are about 200 million in volume. This does signify that we literally have a 50-50 chance, right, to drop off in volume, and that would essentially add less liquidity to the stock and tends to make the stock price go down. But I do imagine more volume is going to come back into the stock, and we're going to start seeing these huge volume days, 400, 500, 600 million in volume. Take for an example the last time we squeezed of 1.2 billion in volume. Come on now, guys. The odds are ever in our favor, as the Hunger Games would say. So with that being said, we are in the Hunger Games. Let's get this thing done. You guys keep them diamond handsome, diamond nuts. If you are a female, take the analogy whatever way you want. But with that being said, make sure to check out the links down below in the description to get up to $70 in your choice of free stock using the link for public. No deposit necessary. No need to even link a bank account. And they are one out of 2 other brokerages that do not route your order flows to Citadel. So if you have not done this, it is literally free money. You are helping the cause by simply not sending your order flows through Citadel, and the only 2 other brokerages that do this is Fidelity and Merrill Lynch. So with that being said, you guys have a great night. I'm gonna get out of here. Peace out.